The modern MJ Church construction site predominantly uses machine control systems for grading and guidance. As such, it can be challenging for non-operators, such as supervisors and clients, to visualize the layout and levels across the site. The Trimble SiteVision platform allows project stakeholders to intuitively inspect and review the design models out in the field. Engineers no longer need to install pegs and profiles for design communication alone. SiteVision can also be used for basic cut-fill grade checking, as well as reporting and communicating design issues and clashes in a more approachable way than was previously possible. Physical device setup. We are now going to set up the physical unit ready for use on site. Please ensure you are in a place of safety and are fully aware of your surroundings before starting. Here we have the Trimble DA2 SiteVision unit ready for setup. The units are supplied with a USB power bank. It is important to keep this charged. Attach the USB battery pack to the pole using the rubber straps as shown. And plug in the USB cable. Turn the DA2 GPS antenna on using the button on the underside of the unit. Hold for 1 second and release. It will flash blue. Extend the 1.3 meter pole to its maximum reach and ensure it clicks into place. Tighten the locking screw. Carefully remove the iPad mini from the protective case. The iPad's camera should be on the left-hand side of the pole. Slide the iPad into the bracket as shown. Ensure the clip is correctly engaged so the iPad does not fall out during use. Check the iPad is secure. Turn the iPad on and use the pin to unlock. Using the SiteVision app. The SiteVision app is launched from the iPad home screen. The app will check for an active subscription and will automatically load the last selected model ready for use. SiteVision will automatically connect via Bluetooth to the DA2 GPS antenna. If Auto Connect fails, access the iPad's Bluetooth menu from the top right of the screen and force a connection to the antenna. Once connected, the antenna will start tracking satellites. The system also requires an RTK correction delivered over the 4G network. This has been pre-configured for you. Check your GPS precisions in the top left. It should be green and down at around 1 to 3 centimeters. You may wish to load a new model for the area you are trying to view. 3D models are hosted on the Trimble Connect cloud platform. Access the menu in the bottom left. Select Load Model. A quick access menu will be presented with the last used models. You may select from this list or access Connect to check for updates. Click on Trimble Connect. Inspect the top of the screen. Here you will see the current folder. Tap on Projects to go back to the top level of the folder structures. Select the correct project and the 3D model for your desired task. Currently there are 2 types of model available, those which are shaded according to the pavement layout drawings and ones shaded with more realistic textures. With the model selected, click the green I button to download from Connect and view. When GPS precisions are good, the app will ask you to walk 10 meters in a straight line. This calibrates the augmented reality tracking. After your 10-meter walk, the model will snap into place and is ready for use. You can look around the site and see the model transposed into the real world. These are the same models being used by our machine control operators. Adjust the transparency slider at the bottom of the screen as desired. The cross-section slider is useful when you're looking down a batter or road. The view distance slider is useful for masking off distant parts of the model, which can skew your perspective. At the bottom right, you can switch between the 3D AR view and the 2D plan view. Note you can only pinch and zoom in the 2D plan view. The model is accurately placed to scale in the 3D AR view. Model objects can be tapped on to view their properties. You may also turn off elements, for example surfaces, using the Layer Manager in the top right. At the bottom centre of the screen you will find the app drawer. Tap and hold on it to change app. Select the clipboard icon. Inspect the element you wish to query. Tap the button to capture an image. Add notes to the report. Reports can be assigned to anyone who holds the Trimble ID. They will get an email notification with your report details. Tap and hold again to change the app. With the pole tip on the ground, tap the cut fill symbol to obtain a live cut fill value. Note this is normally given to the finished level surface unless the subgrade model is being used. Feel free to explore the other apps and features such as stockpile measurements and record point. Tips and troubleshooting. If the compass icon turns orange, the AR tracking may need to be reset. Tap the button to reset the tracking for increased accuracy. The positional accuracy of the AR functions will decrease with distance. Objects in the distance may look out of line and level. If the model level looks incorrect at your current location, attempt to reset the compass tracking. If the unit is taking a long time to obtain a fixed RTK GPS position, attempt to reset the satellite tracking. If you're experiencing issues using the SiteVision system, please contact the MJ Church Engineering Services team or the on-site engineer for assistance. We hope this platform will be a valuable resource and will aid the accurate implementation of the design model on site for our clients.